Hello student, today we will do question number 5 from exercise test yourself of chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question is Mr. Bajaj needs rupees 30,000 after 2 years. What least money in multiple of 5 must be deposited every month in a recurring deposit account to get required money at the end of 2 years, the rate of interest being 8% per annum. So formula for maturity value is P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So maturity value, he needed 30,000. P we have to find. N is equal to 2 years means 24 months. P 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R. R is 8%. 8. This will be cut. 25 4 4 2 means 30,000 is equal to 24p plus 2p. 26p is equal to 30,000. P is equal to 30,000 divided by 26. Divided by 26. This is coming 11 5 3.846. So we have to answer in multiple of 5. So this is approximately rupees 11 5 5. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.